As students prepare for future careers, it's important for them to perfect their skills and talents. Usually, students turn to career fairs or the occasional business course. But fairs and limited courses alone don't allow students to fully explore and build the necessary skills to compete. But there's a better way. BridgePrep offers a different approach to career readiness in an engaging and powerful format. It's a three-step process focused on building knowledge, skill, and confidence. Step 1. We work with businesses and entrepreneur experts from around the world to identify the required skills and strategies to succeed. Step 2. We convert expert information into interactive apps, which includes comprehensive courses from key subjects, a career map, assessments, resume builder, business plan generator, and much more. Step 3. Students log into BridgePrep and use our interactive apps to learn, grow, and succeed at their own pace. We call this process virtual apprenticeship because we realize the path to success is different for everyone, and as a result, we provide the support for each student to achieve their career goal. With 97% of people believing business and entrepreneurship is important, it's clear that a software like this is needed. BridgePrep's career readiness software helps transform students into tomorrow's leaders. Contact us today for more information.